Today we're preparing a classic Portuguese seafood appetizer. This stuffed crab is creamy, flavorful, and filled with fresh taste of crab, pickles, parsley, and broa. Let's get started. Crab. 1 cooked crab, about 1 kilogram. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon of whiskey. 1 hard-boiled egg, chopped. Chopped fresh parsley to taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Piri to taste. Chopped pickles to taste. A little pickle vinegar. 200 grams of Portuguese cornbread, olive oil to taste. Then toast for serving. Carefully open the cooked crab and remove all the crab meat and soft contents from inside the shell. Place everything in a large bowl. Grate the hard-boiled egg directly into the bowl with the crab meat. Add the finely chopped onion, chopped parsley, and chopped pickles. Mix everything together. Add the mayonnaise and a small amount of pickle vinegar. Mix until well combined. Crumble the broa finely and add it gradually to the crab mixture. Drizzle in a little olive oil and mix until the filling reaches a creamy but firm consistency. Season with salt, pepper, piri, and whiskey to taste. Taste the mixture and adjust the seasoning, mayonnaise, pickle, vinegar, or olive oil if necessary. Spoon the filling back into the clean crab shell and smooth the top. Serve chilled with thin toast. And there you have it! A creamy and flavorful Portuguese stuffed crab. Serve it with thin toast and enjoy it as a beautiful appetizer with family and friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Faça e coma! Crab meat carefully and remove any small pieces of shell before preparing the filling. Chop the onion and pickles very finely so the filling stays creamy and easy to spread on toast. Add the pickle vinegar gradually so the filling does not become too loose or acidic. Add the broa and olive oil gradually so you can control the texture of the filling. Chill the filling before serving so the flavors have time to blend together.